Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where timeless elegance meets inspired living. Today, we step into a world where design is no longer just about appearance, but about emotion, atmosphere, and the way a space makes us feel. Imagine a place where sunlight pours across textured surfaces, where soft breezes carry the scent of nature, and where every corner invites you to slow down and breathe deeply. This is the new definition of elevated living. Modern luxury is moving away from cold perfection and embracing warmth, texture, and authenticity. Natural materials, handcrafted details, and organic elements are becoming the foundation of sophisticated spaces. Designers are blending earthy finishes with lush greenery to create environments that feel alive, calming, and deeply personal. The result is a perfect harmony between architecture and nature, where indoor comfort flows effortlessly into open-air serenity. Across the world, homeowners are transforming overlooked spaces into immersive retreats that offer peace from the noise of daily life. Soft, neutral palettes, aged textures, artisan materials, and layered greenery are redefining contemporary luxury. These spaces are designed to awaken the senses through light, fragrance, movement, and atmosphere. Every detail contributes to a feeling of escape, turning ordinary environments into dreamlike sanctuaries. There's also a growing appreciation for timeless Mediterranean-inspired aesthetics, where simplicity and elegance exist together effortlessly. Warm, earthy tones, weathered finishes, and flowing natural forms create a visual language that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Instead of relying on excess, these environments focus on balance, comfort, and emotional connection. The beauty lies in the textures, the sunlight, and the way nature becomes part of the architecture itself. What makes these spaces truly unforgettable is the experience they create throughout the day. Morning light casts soft shadows across textured walls. Afternoon breezes move gently through layers of greenery. In the evening, warm ambient lighting transforms the atmosphere into something intimate and magical. Every hour feels different, yet equally beautiful, proving that great design is not static, it evolves with light, weather, and mood. Luxury today is also about intentional living. People are seeking spaces that encourage relaxation, reflection, and meaningful moments. Whether enjoying quiet mornings, entertaining guests, or simply escaping for a few peaceful minutes, these environments are designed to support well-being and comfort in the most elegant way possible. The connection between natural beauty and refined architecture creates a sense of calm that feels increasingly valuable in the modern world. As design trends continue to evolve, one thing remains clear: timeless spaces will always prioritize atmosphere over excess. The future of luxury is rooted in authenticity, craftsmanship, and the seamless integration of nature into everyday living. These ideas are inspiring a new generation of homes that feel warm, inviting, and effortlessly sophisticated. Thank you for joining Modern Homes and Gardens. If you enjoy exploring luxurious architecture, inspiring outdoor spaces, and timeless design ideas, be sure to subscribe and stay connected for more extraordinary inspiration from around the world.